We have to build truth table to determine if a given statement is tautology or self-contradiction. So first we have to check how many simple statements we have here. We have P and Q. So we will have 2 to second power is 4 rows, 4 combination, because P can be true or false and Q can be true or false. For true, we can use T or 1, and for false, you can use F or 0. I like to use 1 and 0. So now we have to put first simple statement P and Q, and we have to write all combination for P and Q. We need to get 4 rows, and next we have to check if we have negation of simple statement. We have not Q. In the next column we have to put first parentheses. So we have P implies Q. Next we have negation of conditional statement. So we have not P implies Q. And we have this symbol. This symbol is for biconditional statement. It means if and only if, and we have in parentheses P and not Q. So it will be easy when I will leave this column to this whole statement, and at the end I will put P and not Q, because it will be easier to compare these two statements, because between these two statements we have the symbol. The symbol means biconditional statement we have here. So inside, in this column, we have not P implies Q, and this is in brackets. If and only if, we have in parentheses P and not Q. So now P can be 1, Q1, P1, Q0, P0, Q0, and P0, Q1. You can always check. You should have for P 2 truths when you have 2 statements, P and Q, and 2 false. The same for Q. Next, we have negation of Q, so we have to look to the second column. Not 1, so it will be 0, not 0, so it will be 1, not 0, 1, not 1, 0. Next, we have conditional statement, and we know that conditional statement is false only when hypothesis is true and conclusion is false. So it means when we have true P and Q false. So let's see what we have here. 1 implies 1, so this is 1. 1, so hypothesis is true, conclusion is false, so this is false. 0 implies 0, so this is true. 0 implies 1, so this is 1. Next, we have negation of our conditional statement. So not 1, so will be 0, not 0 will be 1, 0, 0. Next, we have to do the last column, because we need this to this part. And we have P and not Q. So we have conjunction. Conjunction is true only when both statements are true. So we have P and not Q. 1 and 0, so this is 0, 1 and 1, so this is 1, 1, 0 and 1, so this is 0, 0 and 0, so this is 0. Now we have biconditional statement. Biconditional statement is true when we have on the left side true and on the right side true, and on the left side false and on the right side false. We have 0 if and only if 0, false and only if and only if false. So this is true. 1, if and only if 1 we have. So this is true. Now we have false, if and only false. So this is true. False and if and only if false. So this is true. We got that our statement is always true. We have only ones in this column. It means that our statement is tautology. This is my solution.